Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu Nandanwar. Today date is 16 March 2022. Today video topic is array list in Java. First time video. Then array list Java array list class are used in dynamic memory, dynamic dynamic array for storing the element. Then it is like array, but there is no size limit. But there is no size limit. We can add it more, add it or remove the element in the array list. The array list in Java can have the duplicate element. Also implement the list interface, so we can use the array list of the interface of the interface in this Java. Then all the methods of the list is interface, but the array list is maintain the maintain the isolation of the array order in the initially, but the array list is inherit in the but the array list in inherit in the absolute list of the class. Then and the list of the class and the implement of the list interface. The implementation of array list is point of the about of the Java array list. The Java array list is the array list absolute value. It is the extent in the list of collection. Then the Java list are many points are in the Java. First point is Java array list class can contain output of the element. Then second point, the Java array list class maximum iteration can be ordered in the array list. Then third point, in Java array list, the class is cannot synchronize in the array list. Then Java array list are the are to the allow to the random access memory, random access, because they are already present in the word in the index of the basis. It is a array list of the Java. Then in array list of the Java, manipulate in order to little bits similar types of they then the link list is provided in Java, because a lot of specified specified needed in the Java to occurs if any element are removed from the array in the Java. Then we cannot create in the in the array list. Then we cannot create in the array list of the primitive data type, but such as in float, character, double, etc. Then it can be required to use the required to required classes, then it is a array list. For example of the array list, then array list int, suppose a equal to array list int, then do not work in the array list, but work in the array list are fine. In the array list integer a equal to new array list in integer, then they can work in the array list in Java. They Java array list get initialized by the store by the size. Then the array list of the size is the dynamic size in the memory, but in the array list which varies according to the element getting added in other remove getting added or remove the element from the list in the program. Then there are many types of method are used in the array list. For example, void added, remove method, clone method, set method, index of method. They can are used in the array list of method in the Java program of the collection. Then okay, thank you everyone.